What's going on, everyone? Emeroy here. It's been a minute since I've given you guys something new to work with. This is a little bit more of a pushing more towards intermediate move called Slippy Slidy. That's what I call it for kids, but it's also known as sweeps. All right, so the Slippy Slidy sweeps look a little bit more like this, as you might have seen in the small little demo I did at the beginning. It's where you're around like this. Cool. So you're on your knees and just swishing your feet around, sweeping your legs under you. I call it Slippy Slidy. It's a funner name to call it for kids. A little bit of a different setup today. We got 3 different camera angles. One, you're looking at me right now. The other one's right here, so you can see. I'm gonna adjust myself so you can see better. Right there and right behind me, so you can see a triple angle view of everything at the same time. Because I try to show you guys the moves in multiple angles, and at the same time I try to be as very detailed as possible. That sometimes equates into a long video. I'm trying to make this as short as possible, at the same time as detailed as possible. So I'm experimenting with this. Let me know what you guys think for these upcoming batch of videos are going to be like this. So I probably won't be able to apply the feedback until later, because this is an experiment to see how not just for this one video, but an entire batch. So anyways, let's get on to the tutorial. So you want to start off with obviously starting from plank position or white plank. Remember, keep your knees soft when you go coming in this position. Okay. Oh, actually, let's switch it up. Let's come from an easier position. Okay. Let's put your knee relaxed here. I started off from my right. Okay. All the way here. You might want to use knee pads if you're on the floor and you're not comfortable, because this move does feel uncomfortable doing it slow, but once you're doing it fast, it's pretty cool. And I apologize for the beeping. There's this weird beeping thing coming from the lamppost. What do you call it? Don't have access to a dance studio or a gym. The gym I used to go to closed down. So yeah. So anyways, onto it. My left foot is here, right foot is out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to sweep this around me, like a C. See that? I'm almost getting down to almost a pigeon stretch. So if you can see behind me, boom. And then here, looking in front of me, I'm gonna bring this leg under. See this? Like coming from the knee to sweep under. Okay? So let's give that a count. They're gonna go 1, okay, 2. See how it's coming out? You're gonna 3. You're gonna sit on here. Me, I'm gonna sit on a microphone. You're gonna sit on it, and then 4, you're on. You extend that out. Okay, so let's walk through that again. Here, here. Okay, right foot comes out. Okay, left foot comes under. As it's coming under, you sweep this under your butt and extend this out. And then you repeat it. Okay, left foot comes around. Okay, as you can see on that side, coming around as far as you can. Right foot is coming to the front. Okay, and I'm putting a lot of the weight as well, shifting a lot of the weight, as you see I'm going left to right, onto my right, so I can extend, sit, then catch this side onto my hand, sweep, sweep, boom. Okay, and it's not, ultimately, because what I'm teaching you is like a step-by-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, just to get used to it, but ultimately you want to do a sweep. You want to do both sweeps at once, like that. Sweep, as you sweep this, you want to sweep this out, okay? 1, like that. 2, 3. Cool? So that's it. I don't think there's any other details aside from that, but I think I've accomplished what I wanted to do, is teach you the move, different angles. Hopefully that's good. Let me show you a demo real quick. One time, I shouldn't have worn these shoes. Look at this. It has a hole now. Well, it's gonna have a hole, but it's just got bigger. But I'm gonna show you going fast, okay? See, I'm switching the weight as I'm doing it, okay? So one key thing that helps, or that's important, is you got to be able to be like this comfortably, okay? Because I know not a lot of people are comfortable doing that. They prefer doing like this. So you got to stretch out those ankles for a little bit if you're not used to it. Because I'm used to that. I've never had an issue doing that. I've had students that aren't that flexible with ankles have a problem with that. So make sure your ankles are stretched. Make sure you have knee pads if you're practicing this on. So something on hardwood floor or on concrete like what I'm doing, or even on rug. Rug's gonna burn. So that's it. Hope you guys had fun. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments down below, and let me know how you guys are enjoying this format.